So we are in here, so that's the car and that's the background. In here, two layer, you see this. Now you see that our in here, so that's the if we don't have, okay, now so we have done it, and this is our the background layer, and there's the card layer. So it's now we have to make this one, let's make it 2 second. Just press the, just select them together, just click and select them, then press the F6. So when you just press the F6, so it will be make your convert to kframe. So now in here, so now it's make it 3 seconds. So if you see this, we have already just make it 10 seconds, so that will be better. That is just select them together and press F5. Until it 10 seconds. 9 seconds. Just make it 10 seconds. So that will, what will happen, so that will give you the smooth running effect. So in here you can see this when you just play it, so you see that that's our car is running, but it's not moving. So now what to do, so then make it a moving effect in here. So let's do that. So let's go to our car frame. So that's the car frame, and we want just smoothly moving the car. Just press the F6, just move it slowly, just move it bit slowly, and then make it, press just click the frame, and first of all you have to click the frame. Again I told that first of all click the frame and press the F6. So then again just in here, just move it forward, click 7 this frame and F6. Again that's 9, I think 8 will be perfect, that's midpoint. Press the F6 and moving forward. And for this 10, just throw it out. Now we have this just moving option in here. Just select the car part and select them and create a classic twin. Okay, so now it have classic twin. So when you just play bar, so we already learned that how it's going. So it's a moving, our car is moving, and you see this that's a beautiful and running, and it's good. Okay, so that's the effect now. So now we have the question. So if we want to move the background part, so how to do that? Okay, so that is the most important and interesting part. So if you want to moving this after the background layer, so how to do that? So that's really pretty much simple and easier, like the card layer. So just hold on a second. SWF, just delete on. Okay, so now just a very interesting part this is. So that's the background. Just select this background, just background layer. Okay, so we have the background, just make it like 3 seconds and F6. Just remember this is the background, just select them and just moving forward. Just you can use your arrow button, so that will be more smooth, that will be more smoothing, so like this. So then again just select this background frame and press the F6. Again told that that's the background frame, and press the F6. Okay, just move it little bit. Okay, F6. F6, just moving them, and just make it F5. So delete that one, just remove. Clear. So now our animation is done. Okay, so just now in here we see that we have make some in here another keyframe. In here we make it just a background. Just remember that there's a keyframe is a too much importance, the F6 option and the F5 option. Remember these two things when you are working on the animation. That's too much really needing for when you are working on the animation. So okay, just select the background layer, just click it in, just click in, you see that's the background in writing in here, just click, and then it will be select every single of your parts of your layer. Just right button and create a classic twin. So just when you just make a classic twin, it will be move, this will be give you the smoothing option. You see that that's the color also moving and there's a background also moving. So this is the thought you can you see that. So if you want to make your smoothness, so you can do that. So this is how you can make your background also moving, the character also moving in like this how. So I think you guys are enjoying this class, and please try. So I'm again told that if you're learning in the Adobe Animate, so if you are good in sketching, arting, so that software is a perfect. But if you're not in good enough in sketching, so if you want to work on movement on vector objects, so I must suggest please learn the Adobe Illustrator first. So this will give you more helpful so when you are working this Adobe Animate. So I think this class is enough for today's, and see you another class with another something new. And if you're new in that family, so please I must suggest please subscribe and keep support, make this family bigger. If you do that together, we can change it. So you see that I have putting everything in here, and I'm really apology for my English, but every class I told that apology for English, but I really want to share, so all over the world anyone can be learned. So that's how I made my tutorials in English, so anyone can be learned. So thank you so much. See you another class. Stay healthy, take care of yourself, and see you. Tata, bye bye, assalamu alaikum. You get this your what you want, and wish you proper respect your time. And if you think that's really useful for you, please subscribe and make this family bigger. If we make it together, we can make these changes. And thank you so much.